Hey guys, Keith here again with Safety Saturdays. Today's focus, we're going to talk about chafing brake lines or rubbing brake lines. Things like that. You can pick up 4 CSA points per chafing line. So let's get down in here and look. These are things that you can cover pretty easy yourself on a pre-trip. What we're looking for is lines rubbing together like this, where that line will start to chafe on the inside. We want to watch to make sure those brake hoses aren't rubbing against this transfer case here. All two common things that you can check and get addressed by the shop. So when you're seeing this stuff, get into the shop, send in a macro so it can get taken care of. Because the last thing you need is CSA points that can end up in and out of service. Especially if we get to an audible air leak, we've got a serious issue. Another one here. This is a line rubbing against another line, and as you can see, it's starting to wear down on the hose here. If that continues very much longer, those threads will get exposed, and pretty soon, we've got an audible air leak. All right, and here's another one that you can handle yourself, right? Take a look at this. These lines are dragging on the frame here of the tractor. If that continues much longer, those lines will chafe and they're gonna leak air. Easiest thing to do is either move this over on the slide rail or the handlebar right there, or use some more zip ties to pull those up further. If it's still a problem, if your hoses are too long, get it into the shop, they'll get you taken care of. One more easy thing to check here, guys, right up here on the front steer tires. So you look at these brake hoses and lines. If these come unclipped, this ABS sensor can rub against this line or rub against the tire, and that's going to cause issues with your ABS system, but also in total cause troubles with that braking system. So something you can easily do is come around here and check to make sure that these are secured to the brake line every time you do a pre-trip inspection. Thanks, I'm Keith. We'll see you next time on Safety Saturdays.